Shut up and sit down.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Hello again, gang. Colin here, Festa 67's workshop with part 3 of the Austin Powers Shaguar build. Yeah, where were we last time we was putting on the decal wrap? Well, since then we've actually wrapped it and put on the headlights, the chrome work and little bits and pieces of the car. And yeah, I mean, it's only a little 172 thing, but this is just a quick, demo on decal wrapping a little motor, and it ain't come up too bad, to be quite honest with you. I did slap me thumb on one corner, and you know how it is, but what it's given me the opportunity to look at as well is you can actually, once you've glossed this, if you do what I did and knacker up a little corner, you can then use this almost as a template, just to then use paints to go over the decal, just to touch up any little areas. But being that this is such a tiny little car, I'm not going to bother, and I've dirtied it up a little bit underneath, and yeah, I mean, for me it's just that little concept of doing a little decal wrap. So short and sweet little catch up, but it's done. It's got the Union Jack decal on it. Is it the best decal wrap I've ever done? No. I know that. So yeah, but it just proves the concept. And it's funny, there's a couple of people that have been in touch that have watched this that have since gone out and bought some decal paper and are going to be printing their own. So if it's encouraging people to do it, all well and good. Just, this was quite a complex car to do. If I was to redo it, I would probably have wrapped it in sections. So I would probably have trimmed along the bonnet and done the bonnet first and then the bodywork, or you could have done it in its initial colouring, where you could have done the red, the white and the blue. But yeah, it's a lot of compound curves. The E-Type Jag was quite a complex shape, but I kind of had a better result, if I'm honest, with the transit van that I did. I'll just dig that out and let you have a looky look, trying not to drop it, but I kind of had a better result with that one. See, that really conformed very nicely indeed. So yeah, that was the transit with Festa in his workshop building a transit build. See, yeah, so it just goes to show that you can do quite a few decal wraps. So excuse the pun, but I'm going to wrap it up. I know it's only a short little update video, this one, but it's done, it's dusted. You can do some pretty damned sexy decal wraps, and it just lets people see that there is a concept to it, that you can do little vehicles. If you're not in the mood for painting, print a decal out, use the decals. So that's that pretty much done. So thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for the upcoming video builds that I'm going to be doing for A-models, as well as the Death Race Mustang that's going to be going live, and also the 432 vehicle that's going to be done in Berlin camo. In the meantime, love and thanks to all the patrons for supporting me, muchly appreciated. and I will catch up with you very, very soon. Take care now.